Hey everybody! Today we're going to talk about brother and sister in Chinese. Let's go! The first one, older brother. There are two kinds of pronunciation. And the first one, let's see. Go, 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 go. This one sounds more formal and without a little bit emotion. So we will see this on newspaper or some formal articles more often. As for this one, let's speak. 哥哥 哥 is more informal but with more emotion, which means more intimate. If you and your brother are very close, you might want to call him 哥哥. I personally like this one more. In general, they all mean the same thing, older brother. But when you're having a Chinese test, make sure you write this one. If you write this one, you won't get any points, because this one is informal. Here comes the older sister, and I don't have an older sister, so I'll leave this one alone. No, I'm just kidding. Let's try this. 姐姐 In fact, there are several ways to pronounce this word. 姐姐 The pronunciations I mentioned are all available, so just choose your preferred one. Alright, let's see. Younger brother. There are two kinds of common pronunciation for this one. You might guess a formal one and an informal one. Yes, you're right. This is a formal one and this is informal. Let's see. 弟弟 The reasons are the same as the older brother, so we don't repeat it. Here comes the younger sister. Let's speak. 妹妹 Let's think about the older sister. The pronunciation is 姐姐 and this one is 妹妹. A little bit similar. And also this one has different pronunciations too, such as 妹妹. Remember younger sister? Two common pronunciation. 妹妹. Choose your preferred one. And this is the end. If you would like to learn how to write Chinese characters, I have a playlist for this and I'll put it down below. Also, if you like this video or you have any ideas want to tell me, comment below. I'll reply you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.